How to change Riot Games username, password, tagline, and more. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first go to accounts.riotgames. Now to change your Riot ID, make sure you're on the Riot ID tab. So go ahead and click on Riot ID and then type in your new Riot ID. Now Riot ID can be changed every 30 days. And once you type in your Riot ID, go ahead and click on Save Changes. Now if you want to change your tagline, stay on the Riot ID tab and then click on Tagline. Type in your new tagline, and once you do that, go ahead and click on Save Changes. So if you want to change your email, click on Personal Information, and then click on Email Address. Go ahead and type in your new email, and then click on Save and Verify. So once you click on Save Verify, you'll have to verify your new email account. Now to change your password, click on Write Account Sign In. Go ahead and type in your username, type in your new password, and then confirm your new password, and then click on Save Changes. So if you want to change the language, click on this globe icon, and then you can select whichever language that you want to change it to. So this is how to change Riot Games username, password, tagline, and more. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.